back to Fast Stock Market News, where I give you all the news as fast as I can. So this week was another turbulent week for the stock market as well as the crypto market. Guys, we can see that Bitcoin for the week is down over 9%, Ethereum down over 13.4%. We have BNB down almost 10%, and there's no really outperformers this week. Overall, there's a medley of things happening, guys. And honestly, right now, a lot of the news, other than the news that's happening that's driving the markets lower, such as inflation and also interest rates and whatnot, is a lot of the things that's happening with the crypto lenders. One good piece of news, I guess you can call it that, FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried decided to buy out finally BlockFi. They decided to make a deal, and it looks like they might hold off. They might hold up during this recession, BlockFi, so that's good to see. However, if you guys remember a few weeks ago, we had the whole issue with Celsius and how they basically were freezing withdrawals from their platform. This is kind of like the first domino that started to fall in this whole big crypto lending fiasco that's been happening. And yesterday, late last night, we had a huge thing that happened, and that was basically with Voyager Digital. Voyager Digital went a step further than Celsius. They basically suspended trading, deposits, withdrawals, rewards, the whole shebang. And this is a huge thing. Along with all the suspension of this stuff, they also basically suspended their debit card. So if you guys have Voyager Digital and you've been depositing money into this debit card, there's a chance you're not going to see that money ever again. There's a high probability that they will go under, and they'll take all your money and your crypto along with it. This news broke yesterday, and it's pretty surreal what's happening right now with these crypto lending companies. But I pulled up a video, guys, so you can have a look.
Hey there, Eamon. We've got more damage in the crypto lending space. Voyager saying that it's temporarily suspending trading, deposits, withdrawals, and all loyalty rewards. That was effective at 2 p.m. Eastern. That release, though, just coming out, and CEO Stephen Ehrlich saying, quote, "This was a tremendously difficult decision, but we believe it is the right one given current market conditions." He says the decision today gives them additional time to keep exploring strategic alternatives with various interested parties while preserving the value of the Voyager platform. This is an investing app. It's also a lending company. It comes after major crypto hedge fund Three Arrows Capital defaulted on a loan to Voyager. The company is saying on Monday that hedge fund failed to pay a $350 million loan in the U.S. dollar pegged stablecoin USDC. They also had a major Bitcoin loan that the hedge fund defaulted on. That was worth more than $300 million. So we're seeing a lot of margin calls and defaults lately in the crypto space. And remember, that company had also gotten a $500 million loan from Sam Bankman-Fried's Alameda Research. So guys, this is the latest fallout we've seen in the crypto space. Back to you.
Suspending trading, deposits, withdrawals, I mean, that's a lot, right? You wonder what happens to the customers here.
We've seen this also. There's a major crypto company called Celsius that did the same thing 2 weeks ago and hasn't really had an update since. So we've seen companies seemingly facing liquidity issues, not being able to honor some of those withdrawals and deposits, and without a lot of other options, saying, hey, we need to close the doors for now. And it seems like a lot of these companies are scrambling on the back end to find other options and really stay afloat at this point.
Wow,
but
Kelly, imagine if a bank did that.
Oh my gosh! But are the underlying funds safe, Kate?
Good question. So a lot of the underlying funds have been used for a lot of these other crypto companies to do lending. So they've gotten these high yield accounts going, and to customers saying, if you deposit your crypto here, you'll get a return on that. But on the back end, we're going to go lend it out to hedge funds. Unclear here. The company doesn't comment on that specifically. They say that's in the works. They're figuring it out, but no details on that, Kelly.
Guys, basically, this whole recession that's looming here in the world economy overall is taking down a lot of these crypto lenders. If we didn't have enough negative catalysts in the crypto world, this is just adding a little bit more pressure to that. So that's basically my video for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Take care, everyone. Thanks again, everyone, for watching Fast Stock Market News. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing, commenting, or liking the video. I would greatly appreciate it. My name is Gio, and I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Take care.